Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create collections on Shopify. Step 1. Login. Go through Shopify admin dashboard. Step 2. Navigate. Click Products, Collections. Step 3. Create collection. Click Create collection. Step 4. Set details. Add a title, description, optional, and image, optional. Choose type. Manual, add products manually. Automated, set conditions, example tags, price to include products automatically. Step 5. Set visibility. Choose sales channels and visibility settings. Step 6. Save. Click Save to finish. Step 7. Add to store. Go to online store, navigation, add the collection to a menu, and link it. And that's everything you need to know about how to create collections on Shopify. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.